is to print any message, we have cout, right? And inside
Yes.
cout, we need to use the particular, we need to print the particular message, or we need to write that particular message which we want to display. Okay.
Yes.
And this double inverted comma are using for, means after opening double inverted quotes, you can write your message, and after that you need to close that inverted quotes, right? If
Yes.
you write here and explain them, then this will be like that. In C++, if you want to print any message or print any variable value, then you need to use cout functions, okay, then left shift operator, and then you need to open what? Double inverted quotes, and here you can write your message, right?
Yes, sir.
Like I. And after that, I just just use these double inverted quotes to close, right? So, what is the use of these double inverted quotes? I think
डबल इन्वर्टेड कोड
this is
डबल इन्वर्टेड कोड के बिना सर वो मैसेज को थोड़ा रीड नहीं करता.
double inverted quotes. अगर हम नहीं देंगे, then it will be search that particular message or text or word in their program, right? And if we will put whatever message we want to print, if we will print that message inside double inverted quotes, then it will be understood, okay, this is a message, nothing else, and I need to print that thing as it is. Getting?
Yes.
Then we have the return zero, then this is like somewhere in turbo C++.
Sir, where we end the program.
Sorry?
Sir, where we end the program, that where we there we put return zero.
Not getting. Tell me again.
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ जब हम एंड करते हैं प्रोग्राम.
Yes, जब हम end करते हैं program, or we can say that this is the ending of the program, right? Return zero. Okay, this is something more meaning, but in the starting we can say, okay, this is the ending of the program. Okay, compile this tells to the compiler, okay, now you ended, the code is ended to the compile the code is ending stage. Okay, so here we, if we need to take the value, so we have the variable, we know each and everything about variable, right? Suppose here I am taking three variables, and I just want to take the values in the variable, then a equal to 5, then b equal to what? 6, and then c equal to nothing, okay? And then here we can put like c equal to a plus b. It is okay to you,
Yes, sir.
right? And in the message,
Sir,
yes.
सर जो मेरा जीडीपी पोर्टल है ना सर, उसमें मेरे जो पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो आ ही नहीं रहे.
Okay. So check the program.
सर अब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ, आप देख लीजिए.
Okay, save.
सर वो परमिशन. सर परमिशन.
Okay, I'm giving. Hmm. First thing, you need to make sure you are using the correct Gmail account.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Google Plus.
हाँ सर.
And now you need to make sure you are using the correct. Yeah, these all are there here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now everything is okay as per your requirement. Okay, so should I start again?
No, sir.
Okay, so should I share my screen
Yes, sir.
and proceed? Okay, just give me 2 minutes, Rajiv. 1 minute only. So if we have variable and we have the predefined value in the variable, then we can do something like that, right? Now here is the message and here are the value of A and B, right? Or if you want to print the value of C, then you can directly put here C. You can run the program from here and can find the output 11. Are you getting
Yes.
any confusion from here?
So just a minute, एक दफा go through कर लेता हूँ एक दफा.
Sorry?
और आपकी स्क्रीन भी नहीं शेयर.
Okay, sorry. So I just take here int a equal to 5, b equal to c, and one more variable that is c. Here I just want to store the value of a and b in c, and I want to just print the message as well as the value of c, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I will run this one, so you will get the output sum of a and b are 11. Getting
Yes, sir.
any problem in this one?
No, sir.
Then our next step was, if we don't want to give the value on the, we don't want to initialize the value, but we want to give the value after the run the program, right? Then we can do something like that here. I just want to need C out and here enter first number, right?
सर
Better.
ये तो हमारा मैसेज हो गया.
Sorry.
ये तो सर हमारा मैसेज हो गया.
Yes, ये तो हमारा सिर्फ मैसेज हो गया. Very good. And with the help of C, so what C in do? What C in
Sir,
do?
see out. Sir, see out helps in printing the message.
Yes. C out is the printing message and C in was what?
What, sir?
What is the use of C in?
Sir, CN is used, sir. I remember this. Sir, CN is used to, like, if you want to put your values.
Yes, C in is the function which can be store the value after the run your program, right?
Yes.
You can store the variable values, whatever the value user want to put, that value can be stored in the variable at the runtime of the program, right? So user will read this message, whatever user will give the number, put the number, that number will store in A with the help of same function. Again, this message will come on the screen, then user will read this message and whatever user will put, that particular number will store in the variable V. Okay?
Yes.
And after that, after putting the value A and B, then we can put here our logic, then A, C equal to A plus B. Okay? The value of A will come from here and goes to stored here. The value of B will come with the help of this one and will store in the variable B, right? Now A and B have the value. So A and B have whatever the A and B is, that will go in the variable C, right? With the help of this assignment operator. Okay. And after do that one, whatever C have, right? Whatever C have, that will store, that will print, sorry. Okay. With the help of this C out, this is our message, and in this variable, whatever the value is there, that value will, we just want to print that value. After the runtime, then value will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we can run this one. After running this one, first it is asking for first value, this value. That means we can say that now at this time my compiler is on this particular line. Okay. My compiler is on line number 16. As a user, I just read this message and put any number. Okay. After proceed, after putting number, if you want to go next, then you need to put enter. Okay. Then 23, you put 23 here, 23 in this one, 23.
Sir, वो तो आपको जो नंबर डालना है, you can put.
Sorry.
Sir, वो तो आपके ऊपर है ना, कोई भी नंबर you can put here.
Very good. So second value में हम जो भी whatever we put here, give the message, that message is coming, and whatever the number we will put, that number will go in the C in variable B and the value will store in the variable B, right? Now A and B have the value. Then in the line number 20, we put A plus B, and with the help of plus operator, whatever A and B, that will total, and the sum is come in the variable C, right? After that, in the line number 21, we are printing whatever the value are coming from A plus B. inside C, we want to print that message. Okay, now if we
Yes.
want to put enter, if we will put enter, then it is giving me the output sum of A and B are, that means this line. And after that, we put here C. C have 46 because A was 23, B was
प्लस सी
also
की
20.
वैल्यू हमने a प्लस b दी हुई है.
Very good, right? And if you want to
Yes.
elaborate, you want to just also do like I want to print the value of A, B first, and then I want to print the total. Then we can put that thing here like
Yes. सर
value.
इससे हम वो भी निकाल सकते हैं सर टोटल.
Very good. Value of A is then this operator. Then you can put here like A. Then again operator. Then value of B is then again operator, right? And then here we will put B, and then finally now we want to give the matches for A plus B, and then A plus B will come in the C. Run this one again to see the output. First this message is coming, we just put a number, then in this line this compiler is there in the line number 8, then we put a number, right? Then now this is coming, value of A is, that is value of A is 12, then value of B is, so value of B is, then the value of B is printing here 34, then sum of A and B is, this is also coming, right? Any confusion in this one?
No sir.
No. Good. So if we will go with the, if we will take a program like if we want to take, if we want to print the 5 subject marks and all, so we can now practice with that one, right?
Yes sir.
So should I clear this one?
Yes sir.
So now my program is there. I need to create a program where I will take 5 subject marks and I need to find the total marks. I need to find the average.
Average.
Okay, so here I am taking like Hindi, then English, then math,
English, math, science, SST.
then SST, then total, and then percentage.
Yes sir.
Okay, and here I just want to take the number after the run the program from the user. So I'm just putting here enter in the marks, then C in have the right shift operator. Then here I
now again out, so C out, and then we will write enter English marks.
very good.
Sin greater than
Now I don't
sin
want to
greater
write this one again. I just want to copy paste. This will for English.
Yes, sir, but just change the subjects.
SST, very good. Enter English marks. And here I just also need to update this one. Right. Then here what is math. And here I just also need to do math. And here I just need to take what? Science. And here I will take like science. Right.
So now after doing this, sir, we will do INT, English plus maths plus science is ST plus 2.
Very good. Now you are recalling each and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now in this process, what we did, we just give the message for the user screen, and when user will run read the message, then it will put that subject marks, right? And after that, what we need to do, we need to find the total, all the subjects marks. Then we have the variable total, then total equal to Hindi, then English, right? Then math, then science, then SST, right? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Now total is there. All the subject have some number. All these variable have numbers, and this number totals are coming in the total, right? Now we also need to find the percentage. So percentage we can find like what if
average निकाल लेते हैं.
total divided by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
And now we did each and everything. Only one thing is there, that is to print the message or to print the value. So we have the variable, or sorry, we have the function, that is what? C out. So total marks are, and come out, use operator, and then put here total, right?
Yes, sir.
And then C out, and I can use and L also to change the line, right? Before printing line number 21 message, first
सर
it
पर
will
एंगल की जगह स्लैश एन भी डाल सकते थे.
can use slash n as well, right? Then I just need to use white. Total percentage is okay. This one, like this, okay. And meanwhile, if you want to print the all subject marks also, then you can do that one, right? Like Hindi marks, English marks, or like that, right? So should I do that one? Okay, I'm doing that one also. So I'm writing here Hindi marks are English and here from where Hindi, right? And
Yes,
then
sir.
see out and then English is
English.
English
So you can copy paste.
and math is
Maths.
math see out science is science, right? And then the last one is what?
Sir SSP.
We can do that all the things like whatever we did from line number 28 to 32, what we are doing from line number 38 to 28 to 32 in the one line also, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are also comfortable
सर
with
एक दफा परसेंटेज के कॉमा के बाद आप एवरेज भी निकाल सकते हैं.
yes, we can do that one also.
सर परसेंटेज के बाद एवरेज भी ऐड कर दीजिए फिर. तो सर एवरेज क्या होगा?
So average is treating that average like percentage. Okay, percentage means average year also. Okay, we can use average,
Yes.
we can use the average word, we can use the percentage word, right? I'm using
Yes.
average because in the subjects we always take average, right?
Sir, तो count that open inverted commas, then average of all numbers are inverted commas closed, then open average.
I'm doing that one, right? This
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm updating this one also, and here this type variable is not there. Now we have what average, right? So I'm just updating each and everything, and I just want to finish this one. SST here I need to put, and one more thing I just want to do here to change the line. Okay, so here I just want to put slash n in everywhere so that
सर एवरेज को हमें निकालना था तो उसकी जगह काउट की जगह हम फ्लोट भी तो डाल सकते थे.
yes, we can put float. Good, because if we will use if we will use int, then int will not take the int will not store the values decimal values, right? It will discard the values. Okay, so if
सर
you
फ्लोट से इजी हो जाता. फ्लोट इज इक्वल टू एवरेज. फ्लोट एवरेज इज इक्वल टू सम डिवाइडेड बाय 4.
okay, so I'm doing that one. So we can take the float as well with everywhere, right? Instead of int.
Yes, sir.
Because subject marks can also come in the decimal. Okay.
Yes.
So now everything is there, just need to run this program. Error is there. C out was not declared in the scope. Line number 28. C out. C out was not declared in the scope. C out. Is there any problem in this C out? Yes. It is in capital letter. Okay. So we need to make sure this programming language is case sensitive. Okay, we can't use like C as capital, right? Okay, sir. So I'm just replacing all the capital C with the small one. Now what is coming? Program is running now, right?
100.
and we just need to put like I'm putting like
100.
50, 67,
Sir,
78.
69. Sir, 69.
Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Now everything is there. What need to put? We just put all the things. Now
Enter.
need to put enter. So now your program is working perfectly. Okay. Your Hindi marks first it is printing the subject marks and then it is giving you the total, right? And then it
Yes,
is
sir. And
giving
the
you
average
average.
70%.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now come to the next in the revision step. So now I want to introduce the conditions here, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for conditions, I just need to use like here. I can
Sir,
use.
if else if
Hmm. So I just want to take here the condition after printing all the subject value average and also I just want to also print division, right? Or grade.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want to print after printing, after display the subject marks, the total marks and the average. I also want to print what?
Division.
Division. So you got what?
So
First
the count,
division, second division, right? So how we will do that?
sir,
So
if,
what?
sir, we will use if,
Very good. So if so before if we just need to ask, okay, what will the criteria? What will the condition if the student got
sir, if total marks are greater than, sir, whatever it was,
very good. So
then,
here I am taking if the total marks is in the subject total. So I am just checking if total is greater than 450, right? Then what will
sir,
be happen? It will be go with
you
the
got first division.
yes, it will be go with first division, right?
Yes, sir.
And here I just want also print the message. Sorry, I just also want to print the what subject marks. Okay. Then again else if and in
Else if,
else
sir, if total marks are less than 400.
less than four greater than 400, right?
Sir,
Then
so you got second division.
yes, see out, then second division, right? And
Yes, sir.
now
Sir, now we'll again use else
else if, right?
if total marks are less than 300.
So very good. Greater than 350, we can go. We
Yes,
can
sir.
take
Sir,
any
then we'll
conditions,
just
right?
pass.
As per need, right? Pass.
Sir, we will
Otherwise,
just pass.
what we need to do? The last one is else
Sir, pouch A.
fail. Sorry, you are
You couldn't pass.
fail. Right? So this is
Yes,
my
sir.
if condition. If this condition will not true, if this condition will true, then other condition will not work. Right? This will
Yes,
not
sir. Sir,
work.
if condition does not work, then we'll go on to the else if condition, and if else if first condition satisfies. Sir, नहीं sir. सर अगर if वाली कंडीशन जो फर्स्ट वाली अगर वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगी तो सर वो बाकी फिर सारी कंडीशंस को चेक करेगा
Yes,
else if
then it will be go to the second one. If second one is fine, then other will not work and program will complete. And if second is also not
बट सर
correct,
अगर सेकंड वाली भी नहीं हो रही तो थर्ड वाली अगर थर्ड वाली भी नहीं होगी तो फोर्थ वाली और अगर सर फोर्थ वाली भी नहीं होगी तो सर एरर
yeah, अगर fourth वाली नहीं आएगी तो error तो कुछ होगा नहीं. As per the program, suppose we have the marks. Marks can be anything, right? It can be greater than 450, like anything, right? If marks is not greater than 450, then and marks is greater than 400, then this condition we have given. If marks is not greater than 400 and marks is greater than 350, then this condition will work, right? And if marks is not greater than 350, then it is marks are below 350, right?
yes
So for below 350, this condition will work. Greater than 450, this condition will work. Less than 350, this condition will work. Meanwhile, we have two more conditions. This will be work, okay? So in this scenario, there is no type of conditions where you know कि कहीं पे भी वो वेरी नहीं करता, ऐसा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, राइट? आपकी कंडीशंस कहीं भी जाएगी, अगर आपके सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स अगर 1400 भी होंगे, 2400 भी होंगे, देन दिस कंडीशन विल वर्क, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all the conditions are there. Whatever the condition can be vary, all these conditions are here, and we can use all these, right?
Yes, sir.
Now time to run the program. Let's run it. Compiling is there. There is no compile error. Let's put the subject marks. I'm putting, and this is 60.
Yes.
Right. So first, as per the whatever we give in the programming, first it is giving me the subject marks, then it is the total, then it is giving me the
Yes.
average, and then here it is giving what? Only pass.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
It is working true or not. We can take the help of the calculator if we have 100, then 90, then 80, then 70, then 60, right? And now total is what? Oh, what I'm doing? 100 plus 90 plus 80 plus.
Sir, 80 plus 60 is 140. 140 plus 90 is, sir, आपका 230.
Total is
230 plus 80.
okay. So we have total here as well. We don't need to calculate.
Sir, 410 should be the total marks.
So it should not be go with the pass, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is problem in the logic. So let's find the logic.
Sir, it's okay. The total marks are 400 only.
So in total, if total is 400, then what should become?
Sir, 400 divided by 40. Sir, 4.
So this should be print. Second division should be okay. Okay, think. Okay, correct. It is correct.
Sir,
Okay.
400 with the second division will then be the total will be greater than 400, na?
Yes. So if we want like in this one, it is what it is doing work like if number is greater than 400.
अगर हम इसी में greater than equal to डाल देते तो सर आ जाता.
Yes. Now it will be work like greater than and equal to. Okay.
Yes.
So it is working fine. So if just I want to go with 100 with all these subject, then it should become first division, right?
Yes.
So it is working. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Average is 100 and this is first division. Okay.
Yes.
And this one is 500 is what? 500 is printing with the help of this one.
Yes.
Okay, Rajiv?
Yes, sir.
So this is okay for practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think meeting is also going to end. So if you will say, then I can rejoin again. Otherwise, we can stop for today here only. And in the next class, we will use to the next topic, that is for loop. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This one we will discuss in the next class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Any problem in this one?
No, sir.
So you will create a program. Your assignment is that you will create a program and there you will take the price of a particular item, right? And then you will check if price is greater than 4,000, then 40% discount.
Sir, I did that.
Okay. So for revision, you can do that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will do this one and you will do that one also. Then this if
Sir, I
condition.
will do the marks. Sir, I will try for the marks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is this okay for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So we will connect in the next week, right? And do next. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.